Hey there viewer, welcome back to another video. Do you like coffee, cola or energy drink? If you rely on caffeine to wake you up and keep you going, you aren't alone. Millions of people rely on caffeine every day to stay alert and improve concentration. The new study found that regular caffeine consumption is tied to reduced gray matter volume. Did you know that? Our brain and central nervous system is generally composed of both gray and white matter. Gray matter consists of neural cell bodies and nerve synapses, while white matter is primarily the bundles and pathways that connect those neural cells. Prior research has indicated caffeine consumption may be associated with acute reductions in gray matter volume. But other research has also suggested caffeine could confer neuroprotective effects, slowing the cognitive decline associated with diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The focus of this new study was to specifically investigate the effects of caffeine on gray matter volume in young and healthy subjects. One particular question the researchers wanted to answer was whether the influence of caffeine on gray matter was a result of the drug's effect on sleep, as it has been shown that sleep deprivation or disruption can lead to acute reductions in gray matter. Scientists did a research on 20 healthy volunteers who used to drink coffee every day. They were given tablets to take over 2 10-day periods, and were asked not to consume any other caffeine during this time. During one study period, they received tablets with caffeine, in the other, tablets with no active ingredient, placebo. At the end of each 10-day period, the researchers examined the volume of the subject's gray matter by means of brain scans. They also investigated the participants' sleep quality in the sleep laboratory by recording the electrical activity of the brain, EEG. This study has shown that the gray matter reductions detected are not related to sleep disruptions but perhaps a unique feature of caffeine. The effect of caffeine on the brain was noted as particularly relevant in the right medial temporal lobe. This area of the brain includes the hippocampus and is responsible for processes such as memory formation and spatial cognition. Carolyn Reichert, an author on the new study from the University of Basel, notes these caffeine-induced gray matter changes seem to recover quite quickly after caffeine consumption has ceased. Scientists were also cautious to note this study does not imply caffeine consumption damages cognitive functioning. In fact, there has been a notable volume of recent research pointing to the contrary, showing caffeine seems to be somewhat neuroprotective, slowing cognitive decline in older subjects at high risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. They concluded saying that the results do not necessarily mean that caffeine consumption has a negative impact on the brain, but daily caffeine consumption evidently affects our cognitive function. Are you a coffee lover? Can you skip a day without? Let us know in the comment below.